Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share my experience with a supplement that many have been asking about, the 3 Naturals Triple Keto. I purchased mine directly from their official website, and I want to tell you all about it. If you're considering trying it out, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you haven't seen it yet, I bought the Triple Keto from 3 Naturals through their official website. You can check the link in the description below. Now, take a look at this packaging. I truly believe that the product presentation is essential. So, I've been using the Triple Keto for the past few weeks, and I'm eager to share the results. I felt a noticeable increase in energy and some positive changes in my weight loss journey. I'll share everything. The recommendation is to take 1 capsule in the morning. I usually do this before breakfast. And, of course, maintaining a ketogenic diet is crucial to enhance the effects. Now, let's head to my official website dashboard, where I purchased mine. Let's take a quick look at the official website where I bought the Triple Keto. The link is in the description for you to check out. They have detailed information about the product, testimonials, and exclusive offers for those who purchase through the website. Now, many ask me how the Triple Keto compares to others in the market. Let's see what makes it a unique choice. And, of course, this might influence your purchasing decision. The moment of truth has arrived. What do I really think about the 3 Naturals Triple Keto? Is it worth it? Keep watching to find out. If, after watching this video, you're interested in trying the Triple Keto from 3 Naturals, I've placed the direct link to the official website in the description below. There, you'll find more information, testimonials, and exclusive offers for those who purchase through the website. Check it out after watching this video. Thank you for tuning in, everyone. If this video was helpful, leave a like, share it with those you think can benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. All the links are in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.